Are you looking for best headphone amplifiers? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best headphone amplifiers on the market. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. Starting at number 1. Tempete Sonata BHD Pro Headphone Amplifier. Sonata BHD Pro, portable USB-C dongle DAC and headphone amplifier. High output power of Sonata BHD Pro is friendly compatible with earphones of different impedance, FPGA, and 3 pieces oscillators. Digital circuit provides more accurate and stable clock source and control the jitter primarily. Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time. Live product page overview. Number 2. EPZ Portable Audio Headphone Amplifier. EPZ TP20 TP30 Portable MQA USB DAC Audio Headphone Amplifier. Dongle type, CES 9038Q2M DSD256 DSD512 decoder 3.5mm 4.4mm. Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time. Live product page overview. Number 3. COKYIS 8-channel headphone amplifier, ultra-compact stereo headphone amplifier for studio and stage applications. With 8 headphone output channels and 1 input channel, the volume of each output channel can be controlled independently. Provides the highest sound quality for each earphone even at maximum volume. Ultra-low noise 4580 operational amplifier with outstanding performance. Comes with a DC 12V power adapter. Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time. Live product page overview. Number 4. FiiO K7BT Headphone Amplifier. FiiO K7BT Balanced Hi-Fi DAC Headphone Amplifier AK4493S 2's MOS XU208 PCM 384 kHz DSD256 USB, optical, coaxial, RCA input. Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time. Live product page overview. Number 5. Topping DX3 Pro DAC Headphone Amplifier. DX3 Pro product highlights: 4 output modes, headphone amp line out, DAC, and preamplifier. QCC 5125 chipset, supports LDAC/SBC-IAPTX/IAPTX-LL/APTX HD protocol, 2nd generation 8 cores MOS XU208. USB input supports up to PCM 32-bit 768 kHz and DSD512 native, optimized NFCA circuit, with ultra-low noise and distortion, 32 ohm load, 1800 mW X2, 300 ohm load, 250 mW X2, 2 gain settings, 6 dB low gain, 19 dB high gain. Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time. Live product page overview.